Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is DJ and today we are back with another video, and specifically today, so you better stay tuned to this channel. Today I'm going to be uploading around 4 videos. Yes, I'm talking 4 videos, 4 new dApps that are launching today. There's a lot going on, you know what I mean? So stay tuned. I'm going to be probably uploading them once per hour. So if you see this video in the next hour or 50 minutes, there will be yet another video that is a new dApp where you can get in early and make early gains. But anyways, we're gonna start with this one today. It is called dealers.finance or weed and dealers. I hope this word is not censored in YouTube. But yeah, as simple as that. It's another baked beans. But I believe, is it also? Yeah, it is 8% a day. Dev fee is slightly higher on this one, but it doesn't matter because if you're early, you're early, you know what I mean? And that dev fees, you know, it will go to, which you guys can see the 2%, it goes to treasury, which I'm fine with that because that means, you know, there's going to be more money in the treasury, which makes it more sustainable and safe. And now I'm going to show you guys how to join it, which is, it's an BNB network dApp. So it's BNB in, BNB out. There's no in the middle tokens. You don't get your yield in tokens. You don't need to sell anything. You will get it straight back in that beautiful BNB that we all love. So I already deposited some earlier, but I'm gonna deposit another 0.1 to show you guys how simple it is. So if you want to join this, make early gains, link in the description. You know what I mean? And just want to let you know, I'm gonna be doing an airdrop giveaway to 5 lucky winners, right? So what I want you guys to do, if you used my referral, right, let me know in my Telegram, link in description is @coolite. Send me a DM, let me know, send me your wallet address as well. I'm gonna be picking all of those people who use my referral. I'm gonna pick 5 of them live in a video, and I'm gonna give each one 0.1 BNB. And yeah, that's my giveaway. I'm going to be extending this giveaway for the next of the 4 videos. So a lot of people might be hearing this, but that's why I made it 5 people instead of 1. Because if it's only 1 person, it's, you know, you won't really feel like you're going to get it. But 5, that makes it 5 times more likely to be you watching this video. So if you want to join my referral link. You know, it's just another way of supporting a small YouTuber, and obviously I want to give back to my people. Yeah, so I'm gonna click my 0.1 BNB. I'm gonna click hire dealers. It's as simple as that. Cheap transaction fees. It's another BNB. It's another baked beans. Fork, but this one has a nice, you know, little change to it. And just like that, it says hire is completed, and the contract is just under 50 BNB. So a huge growth for improvement. And look at this, it's at 6,400. So if I refresh, 6,900. Wow. Okay, that's crazy, because before that I put in 0.1. So it shows how early gainers really have a big difference. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna leave that for now. If you enjoyed this video, stay tuned for the next dApps. This is one of them where you can make 8% in a day. So take advantage of this while it's early. You know what I mean? Not financial advice. At the end of the day, you make your own choices. This is risky. This is high risk, guys. You know what I mean? This is not sustainable. This won't stay forever. So please let that be known. You don't need to invest. These are just videos that show what I'm investing in. Anyways, we'll see you in another video. Remember the giveaway. DM me at coolite in the Telegram, and we're gonna pick 5 lucky of you guys, and you'll get 0.1 BNB. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Like and subscribe.